Hey everyone, and welcome back to Chan's English Corner for another quick explainer. Today, we're going to permanently clear up a really common confusion when it comes to the present perfect tense. If you've ever found yourself, pausing mid-sentence, just totally freezing up wondering which word to use, you are in exactly the right place.
Okay, let's just dive right into it. Think about this question for a second. Have you mastered this grammar yet? Notice that sneaky little word hanging out at the very end there. These two super simple words, already and yet, they can easily trip us up in everyday conversation. But I promise you, by the end of this short explainer, you're going to have them completely figured out.
All right, so here is the absolute golden rule. Both already and yet are fantastic tools for the present perfect tense, sure, but they have totally distinct homes depending on the kind of sentence you're building. Already is basically your go-to for positive sentences. On the flip side, yet steps up to the plate when you're dealing with negative sentences, or, crucially, when you're asking questions.
Let's actually put this into a real-world scenario so you can feel how it works. Imagine you and your best friend are getting ready for this massive trip. You've got this huge checklist of things to do, and you need an update. Because you're asking questions, you're going to use yet, and it literally always goes right at the tail end of your sentence. So you'd ask your friend stuff like, have you bought the tickets yet? Have you arranged a taxi yet? Have you reserved the hotel room yet? Or have you packed the bags yet?
Now picture your friend shooting back a reply to that checklist. They might look at you and say, yes, I've already bought the tickets, but no, I haven't packed the bags yet. See what happened there? Look at how perfectly these words map to the rule we literally just talked about. Already just slides right into the middle of that positive answer about the tickets, but for the bags, well, since it's a negative answer, something that hasn't happened, yet anchors the absolute end of the sentence.
But hey, this is English, right? So of course there's going to be a fun little twist. There is exactly one time you can completely break the rule and use already in a question. And honestly, this brilliantly illustrates the nuance of the language. You use it when something happens way earlier than you expected. Like, for example, imagine your kid finishes this absolute mountain of homework in, 15 minutes? You wouldn't use yet. You're totally shocked. So you'd actually ask, wait, have you already finished your homework? Because you fully expected it to take way more time.
And boom, just like that, in barely 2 minutes, you've conquered the core rules in the sneaky advanced exception for already and yet. Seriously, congratulations on mastering this. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought, actually using our brand new advanced rule. Have you already decided what to learn next? Keep practicing, guys, and I'll see you in the next explainer.